Hey, hi, I'm Ramya, Embedded Software Engineer at Microsoft Technologies. So today we're going to see AppCOE installation. So how to do a download of AppCOE and how to install AppCOE and how to install a license key for your AppCOE and how to check the reference RTOS manuals and how to create a sample AppCOE project. Come, let's see one by one. Okay, initially just go to the website www.microsoft.com and then you will be redirected to a Microsoft web page. Then you go to click free trial. So the page is coming. Here you can see that Windows 64 and Windows 32 and Linux 64 and Linux 32. So based on your PC, just download as per your requirements. You can download the AppCo. For finding your system config, just go to control panel and then just go to system, and here you can know what is your system type. So mine is 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to download Windows 64. So based on your requirement, you can go for Windows 64 or either Windows 32 or else Linux 64 or 32. So now I'm downloading Windows 64. So keep in mind that if you want to work on Windows 32 on your 64-bit PC, so just download as per your requirement. You can download a Windows 32 AppCo and then check on your environmental settings path. Let's just go for environmental settings. Here you can see the environment variables, and then here from system variables you can see the path is there. So here you can go and edit your Java path. So Java path, you should install JRE to work this AppCo correctly. So you must install the JRE things. So as per your requirement, you just use a latest version and then also set the environment path correctly for your Windows 32 operating system. Okay, now the download is going on. Meanwhile, you can see this release includes cross OS development platform, OS abstractor, and OS changer protein kit, ATA simulator, and for Linux, and then for profiler things. So you can try all these things on your AppCo, and keep remember you can able to do install Windows or Linux 32 on your Windows 64 PC on Linux 64 PC, but not vice versa. You cannot install Windows 64 on your Windows 32 machine, so be careful on that. And then looking forward to down, here is a form is there to get your free trial license key. Once you install the AppCo, you have to get a license key to create a project or anything to do. So you just fill out the form by giving your name, email address, phone number, and everything, and then click submit. So that we will get an email, and then we will issue a free trial license key as per your product requirement.
Okay, now the download code completed. I'm going to open.
So you just do a right click, run as admin mode. So it will take some time to extract the files for installing the AppCo.
The AppCo wizard came, so you just click next to proceed with the further installation, and then please select the accepting agreement so that you can go forward for the installation. This is the path that the AppCo going to install. So if you want, you can browse some other directory, but this is the default directory.
And then it will start to installing. Okay. Basically, we recommend you to restart your PC once AppCo got installed. So don't forget to restart your PC. My installation is done. Once installation is done, AppCOE exe will generate the icon like this. Then go to right click run as admin to open AppCOE. So now AppCOE is started to open. This is the default workspace it will show. So if you want to create different workspace, you can do a browse and select your workspace to launch. And just go for it with the default workspace and click OK. Once AppCo is open, here AppCo initialization will going on your right bottom. So just wait for it until it get finished. Left side panel showing you a demo of famous Avatar's products currently in market. So before that, you should install a license. Just go for, click this AppCo license key button. So once you click this, you just browse the license folder where you kept. So this is where I had the license. You just select the license and click open. So license installation is going on. Yeah, license installation is finished now. Once you got the license installation, you just go to a help contents. So you can check it out all the famous artist reference manuals here. I just go with the help content. So here you can check it out. Lots of manuals are there for your reference. As per your requirement, you can check it out the release notes of latest releases, bug fixes as we done, and then you can go for it. AppCo user guide, and then you can check it out each interface like POSIX, VXWorks, which one you got license. As per that, it will open. But keep remember, if you don't have license, you cannot access this manual page. Okay, so now you can try it out to run this. Demo CrossOS execute file by right click open with system editor. So here you can see the console is giving you the demo output of your CrossOS. So meanwhile you can check it out all the demo things as per you got the license. You just check it out console output, and then you can try clean project, and you can do a build the project again. Okay, now build is successful. So you can see a exe file got generated under demo process. So now I can tell you how to create a new project also. Just click file, new AppCOE project. So the project wizard is came. Just give your project name, like I'll give a sample demo. So as per your wish, you can give any project name, and then I'll select AppCode template project, and the toolchain will be MinGWGCC. I'll click next and then give application name. I just give demo, give next, and make sure both debug and release is checked out, and click next. And if you need any of the interface, you can select that particular interface, so that will come. As of now, I'm just going with Neto OS Abstractor. I'll not choose anything, and then I'll click finish. So here you go. Our sample demo project got created. Expand the source and click OS application start.c. So here you can see the welcome to OS Abstractor interface print is there. So I'll try to build this project. So if you want to, you can write your own code here. You just remove this and use your own code here. Okay, fine. Here we go. The binary code generated. You can right click with exe and open with system editor. Yeah, we got the console output. Welcome to OS Abstractor interface. So this is how you can use your code. And then if you are interested in any of our RTOS products, please contact us. And here our support portal is there. Just go and create your query so that we will support you on your queries, either installation or any other guidance you need. I hope you understand how to do a AppCOE installation and how to create a sample project, how to get your license key from Microsoft. So thanks for watching and keep supporting us.